Kitty 猫跟故事猫的厨艺大对决。
Hello Kitty and Story Cat's epic cooking battle. On a sunny weekend, square in the forest was exceptionally bustling.
阳光明媚的周末，森林里的广场热闹非凡。
On a sunny weekend, square in the forest was exceptionally bustling. Everyone gathered here, ready to watch a spectacular century culinary showdown.
大家都聚集在这里，准备观看一场精彩的世纪厨艺大对决。
Everyone gathered here, ready to watch a spectacular century culinary showdown. Today's contestant lineup is super luxurious, featuring Hello Kitty, Story Cat, and special guests in a moral.
今天的参赛者阵容超级豪华，有
Kitty,
猫、故事猫，还有特别来宾大耳狗。
Today's contestant lineup is super luxurious, featuring Hello Kitty, Story Cat, and special guests in a moral. The judging panel consists of Manto Dog, Milk Turtle, Dumpling Sheep, and Zomzi Ox, and they can hardly wait.
评审团由馒头狗、牛奶龟、水饺羊和粽子牛组成，他们早就等不及了。
The judging panel consists of Manto Dog, Milk Turtle, Dumpling Sheep, and Zomzi Ox, and they can hardly wait. Manto Dog struck the gong and announced loudly, "The desserts that bring happiness competition officially begins."
馒头狗敲响了铜锣，大声宣布，带来幸福的甜点比赛正式开始。
Manto Dog struck the gong and announced loudly, "The desserts that bring happiness competition officially begins." Hello Kitty tied on her pink bow apron, ready to make her signature warm apple pie. Kitty.
猫系上粉红色的蝴蝶结围裙，准备制作它最拿手的温暖苹果派。
Hello Kitty tied on her pink bow apron, ready to make her signature warm apple pie. Story Cat put on a tall chef's hat, planning to challenge the amazing Starry Sky Magic Cake.
故事猫戴上高高的厨师帽，打算挑战充满惊奇的星空魔法蛋糕。
Story Cat put on a tall chef's hat, planning to challenge the amazing Starry Sky Magic Cake. Cinnamoroll patted his fluffy big ears and flew into the air, ready to show off his skills.
大耳狗则拍了拍它毛茸茸的大耳朵，飞到半空中准备大显身手。
Cinnamoroll patted his fluffy big ears and flew into the air, ready to show off his skills. Hello Kitty chopped carefully selected apples and mixed them with sweet cinnamon syrup, filling the kitchen with a wonderful aroma. Kitty.
猫将精挑细选的苹果切块，拌入甜蜜的肉桂糖浆，厨房里香气四溢。
Hello Kitty chopped carefully selected apples and mixed them with sweet cinnamon syrup, filling the kitchen with a wonderful aroma. Story Cat took out sparkling stardust sugar from his pocket and gently kneaded happy magic into the dough.
故事猫从口袋拿出闪闪发亮的星辰糖粉，将快乐魔法轻轻揉进面团里。
Story Cat took out sparkling stardust sugar from his pocket and gently kneaded happy magic into the dough. Cinnamoroll smiled and collected soft white clouds from the sky to use as ingredients for his secret recipe.
大耳狗笑眯眯地收集了天上的软绵绵白云，当做它秘密食谱的原料。
Cinnamoroll smiled and collected soft white clouds from the sky to use as ingredients for his secret recipe. He gently flapped his ears, mixing the clouds with rich cream to make his special cloud cinnamon rolls.
它轻轻挥动耳朵，将白云和香浓的奶油混合，做成特制的云朵肉桂卷。
He gently flapped his ears, mixing the clouds with rich cream to make his special cloud cinnamon rolls. Watching these three master chefs from offstage, Milk Turtle couldn't help but gulp happily.
牛奶龟在台下看着这三位大厨，忍不住幸福地吞了吞口水。
Watching these three master chefs from offstage, Milk Turtle couldn't help but gulp happily. The oven made a ding sound, and Hello Kitty's apple pie decorated with little hearts was the first to be baked.
好像发出叮的一声。
Kitty.
猫那有着爱心装饰的苹果派率先烤好了。
The oven made a ding sound, and Hello Kitty's apple pie decorated with little hearts was the first to be baked. Soon after, Story Cat's cake, which changed colors and was adorned with glowing candy stars, came out of the oven too.
紧接着，故事猫会变换颜色，点缀着发光糖果星星的蛋糕也出炉了。
Soon after, Story Cat's cake, which changed colors and was adorned with glowing candy stars, came out of the oven too. Cinnamorol's cloud cinnamon rolls were baked in mid-air, emitting a relaxing sweet fragrance.
大耳狗的云朵肉桂卷则是在半空中烘烤完成，散发着令人放松的甜香。
Cinnamorol's cloud cinnamon rolls were baked in mid-air, emitting a relaxing sweet fragrance. Now, the tasting time that the judges had been looking forward to the most had finally arrived.
现在，最让评审们期待的是吃时间终于到了。
Now, the tasting time that the judges had been looking forward to the most had finally arrived. Dumpling Sheep took the first bite of Hello Kitty's apple pie and said happily, "This taste is full of the warmth of home."
水饺羊先尝了一口
Kitty.
猫的苹果派，开心地说：“这味道充满了家的温暖。”
Dumpling Sheep took the first bite of Hello Kitty's apple pie and said happily, "This taste is full of the warmth of home." Zongzi Ox took a bite of Story Cat's cake and exclaimed, "Wow, the texture is like clouds, and you can even taste the jumping stars."
粽子牛吃了一口故事猫的蛋糕，惊呼：“哇，口感好像云朵，还能尝到星星跳跃的味道。”
Zongzi Ox took a bite of Story Cat's cake and exclaimed, "Wow, the texture is like clouds, and you can even taste the jumping stars." Finally, the judges tasted Cinnamorol's cloud cinnamon rolls together.
最后，评审们一起品尝了大耳狗的云朵肉桂卷。
Finally, the judges tasted Cinnamorol's cloud cinnamon rolls together. Manto Dog took a bite and felt as if he were floating lightly into the sky.
馒头哥咬了一口，感觉自己好像轻飘飘地飞上了天空。
Manto Dog took a bite and felt as if he were floating lightly into the sky. He praised, "This cinnamon roll is so magical. All my worries disappear after eating it."
他赞叹地说：“这肉桂卷太神奇了，吃完烦恼全都不见了。”
He praised, "This cinnamon roll is so magical. All my worries disappear after eating it." The judges gathered around and whispered, having a fierce discussion because it was too hard to score.
评审们围在一起交头接耳，讨论得非常激烈，因为实在太难评分了。
The judges gathered around and whispered, having a fierce discussion because it was too hard to score. Everyone held their breath nervously, waiting for the final results of the competition.
大家都紧张地屏住呼吸，等待着最终的比赛结果。
Everyone held their breath nervously, waiting for the final results of the competition. Manto Dog walked to the center of the stage and announced with a smile, "After our discussion, all 3 desserts perfectly brought a sense of happiness."
馒头哥走到舞台中央，笑着宣布：“经过讨论，这3道甜点都完美地带来了幸福感。”
Manto Dog walked to the center of the stage and announced with a smile, "After our discussion, all 3 desserts perfectly brought a sense of happiness." Therefore, in this culinary showdown, Hello Kitty, Story Cat, and Cinnamorol tied for first place.
所以，这次的厨艺大对决，
Kitty.
猫、故事猫和大耳狗并列第1名。
Therefore, in this culinary showdown, Hello Kitty, Story Cat, and Cinnamorol tied for first place. The 3 master chefs happily hugged each other and shared their desserts with everyone present.
3位大厨开心地互相拥抱，并把他们的甜点分给了现场的所有人。
The 3 master chefs happily hugged each other and shared their desserts with everyone present. Cinnamorol flew around joyfully, helping to serve the piping hot snacks to everyone.
大耳狗开心地飞来飞去，帮大家送上热腾腾的点心。
Cinnamorol flew around joyfully, helping to serve the piping hot snacks to everyone. Warm applause echoed through the square, and everyone was brimming with happy smiles.
广场上响起了热烈的掌声，每一个人都洋溢着幸福的笑容。
Warm applause echoed through the square, and everyone was brimming with happy smiles. Eating the delicious desserts, everyone spent an incredibly sweet weekend together.
大家一边吃着美味的甜点，一边度过了一个无比甜蜜的周末。
Eating the delicious desserts, everyone spent an incredibly sweet weekend
肉
together.
桂的香气在黄昏中漫步，肉桂的香气在黄昏中漫步，在黄昏 进了地图，星空蛋糕闪烁，像一场魔术。云朵在舌尖画出最初的幸福，画出最初的幸福。星空蛋糕闪烁，像一场的光，快乐在味蕾里飞翔。友谊的配方比糖霜更闪亮，森林的皱毛因分享而悠长，森林的皱毛因分享而美